HiTechLegion.com, Skate and Eric here today to show you the Node 304 from Fractal. This is aimed at the small PC market. It features a modular design to fit mini-ITX and DTX motherboards for people that use file servers and stylish home theater PCs. Now, key features for the Node 304, it will fit mini-ITX to DTX motherboards. It has 2 expansion slots. It will support up to 6 3.5 or 2.5 inch hard drives or SSDs, ATX PSUs up to 160 millimeters of length, graphics cards up to 310 millimeters of length when the modules are removed, tower CPU coolers up to 165 millimeters, and then the dimensions of this are 250 by 210 by 374 millimeters. Now, if we take a look at the front here, what they install is 2 USB 3.0 ports. We get our 3.5 millimeter headphone and mic jack, and then our power button there. And then each side does have a little vented grill here. You can see on the side. They also have one on the top here. And then if we turn it around, there's also one on the opposite end there. Now, this front panel here is removable. And underneath, what you will see is they do have filters here for 2 92 millimeter intake fans. And then if we take a look at the rear, what they have is the ability for 2 full-size cards, and then they have a large 140 millimeter. And now both of these fans are Series R2 hydraulic bearing fans, so they're supposed to be extra quiet. And then another little feature is with the fans, there is a little fan controller here where you can do high, medium, and low speeds. And then removing and opening the chassis, just some thumb screws here, and then it slides right off. Now, internally, they use this 3 module design. These can be removed with 2 thumb screws and then a screw on the end here. When we pull this out, underneath we have some little rubber bumpers here, but you can stack 2 hard drives in top and bottom, so this can hold a total of 6. If you're using these full-size, the expansion port here, you can also take out this bottom one to fit a full-size video card. And then installing the power supply, what they've done, as you can see in a lot of these smaller cases, is they just put in this power extension cord, and then you actually mount the PSU on this side underneath here, and they have a bottom vent here, and then on the actual panel there's also a vent on the side. And then if we take a quick look at the back end here, this fan controller is powered by just one Molex cable, and then they allow up to 3 different fan connections here. And these are just general 3-pin fans. And that's because you have the rear fan, and then on the front here, you have the 2 90 millimeter fans that have separate fan connections. Another nice addition, if you do not have a USB 3.0 header, they've actually installed a USB 2.0 adapter right on into the cable itself. So with the ITX board that I'll be installing, I don't have a header, so I can use it as a USB 2.0 ports. And then as far as accessories with the Node 304, we just get the user manual with the little attention card on the back side there, and then just our odds and ends screws and zip ties. And that is the Fractal Node 304 computer case. For full review, please visit our website, www.hitechlegion.com, or click the link below.